Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about how the bots are doing and Bitcoin's price action. I'm going to try to do it as quickly as possible so you don't waste your time. So let's get to it. First of all, Bitcoin it's moving sideways. Yesterday we had the non-farming payroll revision, and it was almost 1 million jobs down from previous data. So that's why the day was red, blue on my screen. But yeah, let's see the resistance that we can find on Bitcoin right now is around 113.5. We need to break this to reach higher grounds. I still think that either we bounce from here and go lower, or we go through it, find another resistance, and then go a little bit lower, again around 104, 106, and then bounce back in October. But we'll see. For now, as I said, this is a resistance point, and we have to try to get through it to be bullish. We can see if we get our anchor VWAPs, yeah, we have around 114 resistance that is a little higher than the golden ratio Fibonacci retracement. But also, if we go with a higher Fibonacci from all this movement, from the bottom to the top, we see that we bounced at the 0.618. Now we're bouncing at the zero point 0.5, and this 114.244 is another resistance point that kind of matches with the golden ratio. And also, yeah, the VWAPs from this low and from this low, all of them, they're giving us a nice support here that we're bouncing, and also resistance around 114. So yeah, 114 is going to be a bridge that we have to go through in order to reach the next target, that it would be around 117. We can see this on the liquidation maps where the money is. You can see here that there's quite a bit of money in 114 266. We can also see it here, 114,377. So there are pockets of liquidity that market makers love to grab. So we're definitely going after this. Then we'll have to see if it bounces down or if it goes through. Again, I still think that we will go a little bit lower. I may be wrong. I don't care if I'm wrong, because I'm already on the market. I have my bots working, and they are trading on this range. So if we go up and we never go lower until the bear market, it would be a missed opportunity to buy more Bitcoin at a discount. But I will be trading here, and my bots will be trading here, and profits will come my way. Now, I just wanted to show you this. This is where I started the bots, and this is where we are. It has been 19 days. You can see it here, 18 days and 19 hours. Well, basically 19 days. And we're definitely below the entry price. Yeah. In everything. Ethereum, not in Solana. Solana is the only one that is going up, but in Ethereum, SUI, and XRP, we are below the entry price. And I just want to show you how the bots are doing. So the XRP, yeah, we are below entry price, but we are up on the bot. That's why I use grid bots, because even if the price goes against me, the profit from the grid makes up for any potential losses that I can have on the price. And the moment the price goes back up, this is going to get bigger and this is going to get greener. So this will be bigger. Also, Solana, as I said, is the best performing bot at 38.72% profit so far in 19 days. It's green on the grid and green on the trend on the price. I entered at 190 and it's at 220. Bitcoin is the only one I believe that I have in red. It's just 0.89. But as I said, I mean, there's like a 3%, right? Or almost 4%. We take it from here, more or less. There's a 3.31% drawdown on the price, but I'm just 0.89 down. Why? Because of the great profit, 451. Again, in almost 19 days. And yeah, 539 because it's with a 3x leverage down on the price, but almost in the green in the bot. Let's hope that Bitcoin definitely goes to 114, and this will be green. And then I will be evaluating if I take profits, close the bot, or well, we'll see. We'll see. If it bounces down, I'll have to make a decision. Then on my cash bots, by the way, these ones are the ones that are giving me coins. Okay, so XRP bot is giving me XRP coins. Solana bot is giving me Solana coins, and BTC is giving me Bitcoin coins. The ones that give me USDT, Ethereum, again, I entered at 4,600. The price right now is at 4,300, but I'm 8% up on the grid. 7.7 down on the price. So it's giving me a really cool 0.13 profit so far. But let's hope Ethereum finally, let me say it, does something because, I mean, look at this. It hasn't been moving for like 10 days, completely sideways. But yeah, this is where I enter. This is what it is. You can see the drawdown on the price, and it's a little bit green. So again, another reason why I use grid bots. And SUI also is below the entry price, 359, 352. So there's a little bit of a drawdown. Again, all this, you have to understand that since I'm doing 3x leverage, I'm having funding fees, in this case, minus $5. So that's what is that's why this is in the red. But the moment the price goes a little bit higher, above 359, these will turn green, these will be bigger, and so far it's giving me 7.4 in 18, 19 days. So not bad. I'll expect SUI to go to 420 in the next week if Bitcoin finally breaks the 114 and goes to search to hunt for the 117. So it would be around 420, maybe probably even higher than 440. And on that moment, I will show you how to change the ranges on the go without closing the bot. But yeah, as you can see, green on all the bots except the Bitcoin one, even though the price is going lower from my entry. So I mean, that's a reason why I use bots, and they're giving me a nice profit. In case you want to use bots, remember to use the link on my description, because look at this, 313 rounds, 400 rounds. A round is a buy and a sell. So this is 818 transactions, okay, in 19 days. If you use the link in my description, you're going to get a discount on the fees that you get, a 3% discount rebate actually on the fees of your transactions. And finally, before I go, I just want to remind you that tomorrow, Thursday, I will be opening a brand new bot, and you guys are telling me which coin would you like me to open a bot on. Right now, Ethereum is winning, I guess, just by one bot. XRP is following, and Solana and SUI are waiting. In case I have a tie, I will open one of them tomorrow and another one on Saturday. In case there is no tie, I will open just one, and next week I will open another one. All right, but you can go into the community, into the posts on my channel, and vote for it. And yeah, I will do what you guys want. All right. So that's all for me. As usual, stay in the green, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.